In this session, we will learn how to practice on overlock machine, threading, running, minor adjustments. At the end of this session, you will be able to know threading the overlock machine, adjust the stitch length, the presser foot pressure and lifter, and change the differential feed mechanism. Overlock machines come in different models, but all are basically similar. The machine shown here is a 3-thread overlock machine working with 2 knives, a moving upper knife and a fixed lower knife. They cut off frayed fabric edges to give a neat finish. Threading of the overlock machine is strictly complicated compared with other sewing machines. The one shown in the graphic has 3 different threads: the needle thread, the overlooper thread, the underlooper thread. The sequences of guiding these 3 threads can be followed as shown. After each use, the lint and dust must be removed. Cover the machine when not in use. Periodic oiling and greasing should be done. Here is a task for you. Ensure you have the required items such as overlock machine and thread. The task is threading the overlock machine. Thread the overlock machine. First thread comes from the spool stand inserted into the first needle. Second thread for the second needle. Third thread from spool drawn to the back side looper. Fourth and fifth thread for the lower assemble loopers. Here is another task. To perform this task, you need the overlock machine, scissors, screwdriver, trimmer, thread and fabric. The task is to adjust the stitch length. Slowly turn the hand wheel as keep depressing push button will find a point at which the push button goes in further. Maintain the above condition. Align the desired scale mark on the hand wheel with the white mark on the belt cover. Reset the push button after setting the dial. Presser foot pressure and lifter. Adjust the screw which is turned towards clockwise. The pressure increase when the screw is lying counterclockwise. Sideways bring down presser lifting lever. Whenever the presser foot is returned to its original position, be sure to bring up the presser lifting lever as shown. Let us recall the differential feed mechanism. The overlock machine has 2 feed dogs, the main feed dog and the differential feed dog. The levels of these two should be equal with one another and the height can be adjusted independently by the respective bolts. The height of the feed dog must be adjusted according to the thickness of the material. For example, 1 mm for thin materials, 1.3 mm for medium thick materials and 1.5 mm for thick material also raised above the top of the needle plate. Here is another task. To perform this task, you need the overlock machine, scissors, screwdriver, trimmer, thread and fabric. The task is to change the differential feed mechanism. Loosen differential feed lock nut. Move lever up for stretching as down form the gather stitch. Position S provides a differential feed ratio of 1:0.7 for stretching stitch while 1:1 provided normal stitch. Gathering stitch can be set up to a differential feed ratio of 1:2. We have reached the end of this session on practice on overlock machine, threading, running, minor adjustments. By now, you should be able to know threading the overlock machine, adjust the stitch length, the presser foot pressure and lifter, and change the differential feed mechanism.